Miko claps. You're not clapping. Miko clap. One more.
That's it! Your iPad's hatching!
Whoa! Whoa!
It's amazing!
He's so cute.
Go on. Reach over slowly and using your fingers, give your pet a gentle tickle. Bring him out of his
Finger.
You reach out. Wait, I think we have to move back.
Finger. Coochie coochie coo. Coochie coochie coo.
I reach out and stroke. Fine, I'll reach out and stroke.
Touch it, Miko. He won't get out.
Get out! Get out!
Come on, get out.
No, the camera's right there.
How do you do it?
Push the camera, man.
Do you have to touch him like that? How? He wants to get out. Reach out and stroke your pet. There, Miko.
Oh, Miko, you're doing it.
Yeah, Miko's doing it.
Me too. No, my hand's hurting. Wait.
He doesn't.